Solve. Write the answer in set builder notation. 1/2 t minus 1/4 is less than or equal to 3/4 t. So let's add a negative 1/2 t to each side. So 1/2 t minus 1/2 t minus 1/4 is less than or equal to 3/4 t minus 1/2 t. On the left-hand side, these sum to 0, so we have negative 1/4 is less than or equal to. Of course, here we need to have the same denominator. 1/2 is the same as 2/4. So it's 3/4 t minus 2/4 t gives us 1/4 t. Now we would multiply both sides by 4. And doing that, of course, allows us to remove a factor of 1 here, giving us the result that we're interested in on the right-hand side of just t. Well, it also turns out we can remove a factor of 1 here, giving us the result negative 1 is less than or equal to t. To write that in set builder notation, we write t, or that we have the set of t such that, and let's write this in the more standard way, which is to write the t first is greater than or equal to negative 1. So it's t such that t is greater than or equal to negative 1.